Hello everyone, my name is Muskan Chauhan. Today I'm going to tell about you one of the topics of design elements, which is staircase. Staircase is not only the vertical mode of transportation in any building and home, also adds a functioning purpose and an aesthetic purpose to our structure. So let us dig bit deeper into the terminology of staircase. First is our tread. What is tread? A tread is the horizontal component on which the foot is being placed with a minimum dimension of 9 inches. The second term is our riser. The riser is a vertical component which is placed above the tread. It is there to support the tread with a minimum dimension of 4 inches. The next is what is a step or a stair. When we compose these horizontal and vertical components together, in other words, these tread and riser, it is called as a step or a stair.
Next.
Now I will exaggerate the topic of Muskan staircase. So it is designed to build a large vertical distance. There are 8 types of staircases. The first one is geometrical staircase. They are of 2 types. The first one is continuous and second one is with landing. Continuous is, it means it's continuous. There is no landing in it. And the second one is with landing. So you will landing means you will get a time to take rest, or if you are taking some heavy materials to shift for shifting to a building, so you can rest at its landing point. The second one is quarter turn staircase. From the word quarter we can understand that it is 90 degree, so quarter turn staircase is like this and 90 degree. The third one is bifurcated staircase. So bifurcated staircase is a two-way staircase which can be used in plazas, bungalows, or big malls. And the fourth one is circular staircase. Circular staircase is circular in like it is of circular type. And the fifth one is spiral staircase. In the mostly in terrace we see the spiral staircase which is of like in this shape.
Next.
So see an opening in a wall, door, or in a roof also. There is a variety of window present in the market, from single hung, double hung to the skylight and in both window. Different and similarly, different windows plays their different roles. There are some factors we should keep in mind while selecting a window, that are privacy, light, air, ventilation, how much amount of ventilation we need, how much amount of light we need in a particular room. So this is all about the window.
Okay, next.
Good afternoon. My topic is on seating. First of all, we can go for a meaning of a ceiling. A ceiling is an overhead interior surface that covers the upper limits of a room, and it can be decorated as per the customer taste. So we go through the types of ceiling. There are six or many types of ceiling. First one is conventional ceiling. It is a plain and flat and commonly found in homes. And second one is suspended ceiling, dropped ceiling. It is a drop ceiling, mostly used in commercial buildings, offices, and retail space. Then the third ceiling is tray ceiling. It is a multi-level ceiling. And fourth is covered spoke ceiling, round look of the dome ceiling, found in formal rooms, theaters, and churches. Second is cathedral ceiling, inverted V ceiling. It is a inverted V ceiling
Next.
where the tip of a V is highest point.
Next.
A wall is something that provides a basic structure to the building. It is a composition of brick, mortar, POP and paint. There are basically 2 types of wall, 9-inch wall and 4-inch wall. जो 9-इंच वॉल होती है वो बाहर बाउंड्रीज में बेसिकली यूज होती है, और जो 4-इंच की वॉल होती है वो पार्टीशन के लिए यूज की जाती है. देयर आर वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ वॉल दैट इज यूज इन construction company: load bearing walls, non load bearing walls, cavity walls, shear wall, partition wall and panel wall. लोड बेयरिंग वॉल्स. लोड बेयरिंग वॉल्स वो वॉल्स होती है जो स्लैब और बीम का जो लोड होता है वो ट्रांसफर करती है वॉल में, और बेसिकली यूज होती है एक्सटीरियर और इंटीरियर में. और नॉन लोड बेयरिंग वॉल्स होती हैं जो नॉन लोड बेयरिंग वो वॉल होती हैं जो अपना ही वेट कैरी करती है, और ये यूज होती हैं पार्टीशन के पर्पज पे, और मोस्टली जो वॉल होती है इंटीरियर वॉल्स के लिए प्रिपेयर की जाती है.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's my topic is window. The window are an essential part of house. It also provides light, fresh air, and ventilation in the house. It allows light in the rooms and house. There are many types of windows, uh, like single hunk, double hunk, cottage, two panel slider, picture wall, bay windows, three panel slider, half moon window, circle window, triangle windows. Basically, basically हाउसेज होटल रेस्टोरेंट एक्सेट्रा ऐसी जगहों पे हमारे विंडोज वेंटिलेशन एंड नेचुरल एयर्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल होती है। इनके वजह से हमको कुछ जगहें हमारी ऐसी होती है जहाँ पे हमको इनके बहुत सारे ज़रूरत होती है, कुछ जगह ऐसी होती है जहाँ पे हमको लाइट्स की नेचुरल लाइट्स की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है, तो विंडोज़ के थ्रू हम उन सबको कवर कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bhavna. Today, my topic is door. So, door is a main. Sorry. So, usually swing or sliding barriers by which an entry is closed and open, also known as door. A similar part of a piece of furniture uh, which we use in our house, homes, and restaurant is known as door. So, there are 15 types of door. First one is ledge door. Second is ledge and brace door. Third one is ledge and frame door. Ledge frame door. Uh, Fourth one is ledge frame and brace door. Fifth one is framed and panel door. Sixth one is glazed or sash door. Seventh one is flush door. Eighth one is lover door. Ninth one is steel door, and tenth one is uh, revolving door. And 11th one is rolling steel door, sliding door, and swing door. So door are basically we use in our hearts, and there are so many designs of door. The Thank you.
Okay, thank you all. I appreciate all. बहुत अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन रही आप लोगों की, तो आई होप आप लोग ऐसे ही वर्क करते रहें आगे भी।
Thank you, ma'am.